Question 1. Vous voulez faire connaître votre entreprise? Nous vous proposons de très bons prix pour mettre une annonce sur notre site Internet. Envoyez-nous votre texte, nous vous contacterons pour vous informer sur nos prix. Que propose cette annonce aux entreprises? A. Un service de création de site. D. Une aide informatique rapide. C. Une formation sur Internet. D. Une publicité à faible coût. The correct answer is D. Let's see why. The question asks what service this advertisement offers to businesses. Look at the two highlighted parts of the text. The first tells us that the company offers very good prices. The second tells us that businesses can place an advertisement on the company's website. Now look at answer D. It combines exactly these two ideas, advertising and a low price. So answer D is a paraphrase of the information in the passage. Answer A is a common distractor. The passage does mention a website, but the company is not offering to create websites. It is offering advertising space on its own website. This is an important TCF reading strategy. Don't choose an answer simply because it contains a word you saw in the passage. Match the meaning, not just the vocabulary. So the correct answer is D. Question 2. La librairie des Orgues à Paris a récolté 9 000 € de ses clients afin de financer son déménagement. Un résultat inespéré qui a permis à la librairie de s'agrandir. Lors de l'inauguration, la librairie a offert un verre à ses généreux donateurs. En fonction du montant de leur participation, ils ont reçu un livre de leur choix ou ont obtenu le statut de client d'or, signifié par une plaque à leur nom sur le mobilier de la librairie. Pourquoi la librairie a-t-elle récolté de l'argent? A. Pour acheter des meubles de bibliothèque. D. Pour organiser un concours de lecture. C. Pour ouvrir un salon de thé littéraire. D. Pour s'installer dans un local plus vaste. Now pause the video and choose your answer. The correct answer is D. First, look at the question. It asks why the bookstore raised money. So we are looking for a purpose. The answer appears in the very first sentence. The highlighted expression tells us that the money was raised to finance the bookstore's move. The next sentence gives us another clue. It tells us that the move allowed the bookstore to become larger. Put these two ideas together. The bookstore moved, and it became larger. That corresponds to answer D, moving into a larger location. Answer A is another good distractor. Furniture is mentioned later in the passage, but the passage does not say that the money was raised to buy furniture. The furniture is only mentioned when the text explains how some donors were recognized. Again, seeing the same vocabulary in the passage does not make an answer correct. You must check whether it actually answers the question. So the correct answer is D. Question 3. Madame Gilbert. L'imprimante de mon bureau ne fonctionne pas. Mes consultations commencent demain à 14 heures. Pourriez-vous commander rapidement du papier et de l'encre, s'il vous plaît? Merci. Docteur Philippe. Que doit faire Madame Gilbert? A. Acheter du matériel. D. Appeler un réparateur. C. Imprimer un document. D. Noter un rendez-vous. Now pause the video and choose your answer. The correct answer is A. This question asks what Madame Gilbert has to do. So we need to identify the actual request in the message. At the beginning, the writer says that the office printer is not working. This may make answer B look attractive, because calling a repair technician sounds logical. But the message never asks Madame Gilbert to call anyone. Instead, look at the final request. She is asked to order paper and ink. Paper and ink are supplies, so this corresponds to answer A. Answer D is also a distractor. The message mentions that consultations begin tomorrow at 2 p.m., but this information only explains why the request is urgent. Madame Gilbert is not being asked to record an appointment. This question teaches another important TCF strategy. Answer according to the passage, not according to what seems logical in real life. So the correct answer is A.